How to change payment method on Priceline. Priceline is a popular online travel agency that helps users find and book discounted travel services, including hotels, flights, car rentals, and vacation packages. So first go to www.priceline.com. Enter your travel information. First, select whether you'd like to book a flight, hotel room, rental car, or all three together using bundle. Select your location. Then enter your check-in and check-out dates. You can also select how many rooms you need and how many guests will stay in each room. You can choose hotel by customer rating or alphabetical order. Here you'll also have the chance to filter between express deal and regular hotel bookings. Enter your payment information. You'll see the payment method section. Here you can choose your payment method. This is where you'll enter your payment information. In addition, it accepts PayPal and Google Pay. Then put your billing address. Then click on Complete Booking. That's it. Thanks for watching.